Kuno kodok film tem mentau sini yang kot ngilapo yang nih po lady hadir tak ban shoot ya kan ika video ko jongi ngilet ban keli nak breu mah katno sin ngila ban minus ya usi hajar da usispa bat nginpet hadu katno kila ban jawab bat senang yarap ban komen like ya kan video nang ba ngin yo like su da ni pat video kham su tenat please bo ni ki bersyan ti nakapor that's it. And by the way guys, this is my cameraman Mr. One Lombok Dingdo. He's a good guy and he's also kind of a bit professional cameraman of mine. Okay, for today's video. Okay, so say hi to the camera. Excuse me guys. Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Actually, I'm a YouTuber. So can we play game? It's a really easy game.
What?
Okay. I'll ask you the question, so you can answer. Okay, it's really simple. Okay, so how many times can you subtract 100 from 1000? How many times can you subtract by 100 from 1000? You can subtract. Okay, how many times you can subtract? Okay, by 100 from 1000, from 1000. Okay, how many times you can subtract? I know you guys are good in maths.
She is very good in math.
Yeah. You can go on.
Ask her.
Yeah,
Say.
you can answer. Okay, are you sure?
100 to 1000.
How many times you can subtract from 1000 by 100?
Count.
Count.
9 times. I'm maths one. I'm not in 9 times.
9 times. Are you sure?
Yes.
Tama. Katno sin ngila ban simna mo na usi hajar da usispa. Ha? Katno sin ngila ban simna mo da usispa na usi hajar. Cium baik. Katno sin. Sini kau yuk ketip. Ketip ra? Kau sim tu mobile kalkulat dia. Abon dan kalkulat. Because I'm YouTube. Oh, okay. So how many times can we subtract 100 from 1000?
100 subtract from 1000?
Yeah, from 1000.
100 times? No.
100 times. 10 times.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm poor at maths, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Even me, I'm poor at maths. Okay. So that is your final answer.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ta. Tại chỗ như nghĩ mà nó xiên mà người lạ vẫn xiêm nọ nó nào xí hajar rồi xí spa.
We don't know.
Okay, you can guess. It may be 100 times, it may be 1000 times. Cái lạ vấn đề cắt nó xiên người lạ vẫn xiêm nọ mà nào xí hajar rồi xí spa.
200.
200. Đó. Sáng, nhìn không? Nong nih. Kadang sian mo, mila ban sim no, nak si hajar dak si spa. Kadang sian mo, mila ban minus teh. Ya si hajar dak si spa. So sian. Bir. Okay. Okay. Kadang sian mila ban sim no, nak si hajar dak si spa. Ban minus. Sen di sini karena sen ngilak ban minus mah nak si hajar dak si spa. Katno sien milak ban simna. Ma. Ya usi hajar dah usi spa. Ya usi hajar dah usi spa. Ma. Try. Oh, calculate. Yes, calculate. You can calculate. Okay. Hey, student.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Fusion. Okay. Hah? Sudah. Dera. Okay. Lang mungkin kayak pinjat. Nah. Yang kelinci mah. Kat nusin nilak ban sim nak mah. Nak usi hajar dak usi spa. Hajar dan nak usi number mah. Usi hajar usi spa. Nusin. Kat nusin nilak ban minus mah. Nak usi hajar dak usi spa.
Này
Tak sang bat.
đây cầu này
Đây. Hi guys. Hi, kasih.
No.
Banyak duit ya. Can we ask you one simple question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's do. Okay, how many times can we subtract from 1,000 by 100?
How many times we can subtract?
Yes,
9.
9 times.
I guess so.
Okay.
9.
But that music was that cool, man. Okay. Okay, you could keep calculating in your heart. Keep calculating.
Yeah. How many times 1,000 can be subtracted by 100?
Yes.
100.
Yes.
9 maybe.
9.
9 times.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. So I will tell you the answer. Okay. We can only subtract once.
What? Okay.
Yes, because when it comes to, if we subtract again, it will come to 900,
Yeah.
800 below. Okay.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
can only
One. Okay. The
one once. Okay. You got it right.
Okay, that.
Okay. It's quite logical. Okay. So, by the way, nice meeting you.
Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Happy Valley.
Happy Valley. Okay. And you?
I'm
Okay. That was nice.
So is this a
Bye.
YouTube?
This is my YouTube channel.
Okay, I'll sure.
These are my guys.
What's your channel name?
It's Bansai L.
Bansai L? Okay,
I'm a
that's
starting
right.
YouTuber.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
We'll support you.
Okay, thanks.
Bansai.
Jengkeli dia tak menjadi YouTuber punya. Dia dah. Mah. Dah. Kan sekali jengkeli mah. Kat nusin ngelak ban sim nak mah. Nak usi hajar dak usi spa. Siapa make sense? Nitip ba mengikuti mangi biang I'm not good in maths long ngimlang ba la tebet ka maths mo ring yun kadai kam dede ya ka ba long bajenjang
Sorry.
Okay, I will tell you yang sama. Manang ikan sama. Nila ban simna tang sisin mah.
Tang sisir.
Ha. Nomor ba? Laradan si hajar ndai simna dak si spa. Kamud along kendai spa. Pengen sim biang dak si spa along pras spa ne. Tang sisin kamud ngilak ban simna nak si hajar dak si spa. Kelas tu.
Mani.
Ha? Kelas tu dah.
Tak confuse dia.
Confuse nian dai. Kamar kelong logical. By the way, nice meeting you. Wow, bye. Thanks. Okay, I will tell you. Actually, it's only once because once you subtract it, it will come to 900. Okay, got it? Okay. You can only once subtract from 1,000. Okay, from 1,000 by 100. Okay, you got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye. Thanks. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Oke toh, nganong nak itu mah. Nganong mah. Ngilak tang sisin mah. Nomor radang sim yang 4. Nomor radang sim nak si hajar dak si spa kemud. Long nak kendai spa. Mah. Ngilak pan sim tang sisin mah. Nak si spa, nak si hajar. Ya. Tah, mah, dan mah. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, we can only subtract once because when it comes to when we subtract 1000 by 100, it will come 900. Okay, it's quite logical. Okay. So, but nice meeting you. Okay, bye. Nice meeting you too.
What's the name of the channel?
Bansai L. Okay. And these are my friends. They are filming. Okay. Check out the channel and do subscribe. Okay.
Show me the channel.
And I am an artist too. You should come my way.
You're an artist.
I'm an artist.
Oh my God.
So
How about? Are
my
you
name is
a performer?
Bitrisky. Yeah, I perform.
Okay.
I'm a rapper and I
Sure.
He's from-
What's your channel?
he's from
You have
Assam.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, but no YouTube. I have Spotify.
Oh, Spotify.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do comment in my in my channel.
Yeah, okay.
Send me your link. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. I'm a small YouTuber. Okay. Send me your link in that Spotify because I also have a Spotify. Okay. And I will do follow you. Okay. This is the one. Okay.
This one, yeah.
Oh yes, this is the one. I used to do vlog and all. Okay. Okay.
Hope to see.
See you.
Okay. Bye. Nice to see you.
Take care.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Tangan anak ngelak mensim nak tang sisian mah nomor ladang sim nak si hajar dak si spa tenang anuan nak kendai spa ni nang ngelak mensim tang sisian kai. Okay, nice meeting you. Bye. Kejing siya kadai tang sisin. Mo nomor nang nila sim nak si aja da spa ni lang ndai spa. Nang tu pada akhir nak kam serum. Yang sim yang saya sin lah puna spa ni. Ini itu. Sekarang pilih kain pasti. Ini senat bannya dulu. Bah, bye. Bah, dengan bertai lima. Kejing siya ka ansar kadai sisin. Mah, nomor ba? Nak si hajar ni sim nak si spa ndai. Nak long kendai spa. Denam. Pe apa kendai spa kamu kan yang hiar serum-serum pras spa nyo spa ndai. Nilak man sim nak tang sisin denam. Masih spa. Tas ngetu. Ta. Tambah stenat banyak kendut timah dengan YouTube channel berit yang sedang ditahi. Subscribe mah